We are optimistic, have a lot of good returning team members that we're going to build on. We're hopeful that we'll do a better job of competing for the entire duration of a game instead of being streaky. We were a little bit streaky at times last year, so we're working really hard on being fluid for a full 7 innings and then a full season. Shoot, we're going to have to show up every single day. Our conference is the toughest conference in the nation, in my opinion, and so we don't really have an off day when it comes to MIAA games. We're going to have to prepare. We know what everybody has or is returning, and then they bring in their new kids too, so everybody's tough. We don't really get a day off. We're looking, I would say, to the seniors for immediate leadership. We've got 4 true seniors that will all play a very important role and see quite a few innings, whether it be on the mound or second base, left field. They're going to be everywhere, and I see a lot of them being right in the middle of the lineup as well. So immediately we look to them for confidence and experience, and I think so far in our fall workouts and our winter workouts, they've been doing a good job. Well, I think everything always starts in the pitching circle, and we have made improvements in the past 2 years there, and we look to do that again. We're not where we need to be. We're not okay being what we have, but we want to keep getting better. So, and the girls, the pitchers, the 4 pitchers we have returning have been doing an excellent job with Coach Katie and working on how they're going to make their game better. So I think initially that's going to have to be our biggest area of advancement. They're going to need to bring it, and then from there everything else gets a little bit easier, we hope. Hard to say right now. We've got 4 freshmen that I think will all get pretty good time on the field. Whether it be, we've got 2 left-handed hitters and 2 right-handed hitters, so we've kind of evened that out a little bit. We were right-hand heavy last year, so we've made an adjustment there, and they all present different strengths, which is really exciting. So on any given day, we could use any 4 of them and be very successful. Oh gosh, you'd have to ask the kids. we do a lot of short-term, long-term, day-by-day goals. We've got mental goals. So obviously we want to be successful. We want to go and play the longest season we can, but we know that we can't do anything until we face the first pitch. And so from there, then we'll get the second pitch. We've scheduled 3 tournaments, all in-region competitions. So immediately off the bat, we're facing some strong teams from last year in the North Central Conference, and down in Arkansas Monticello's tournament, we're going to face some other teams too. So we have really stacked it in our favor that if we do well like we plan to, we'll have a better chance of being ranked for the postseason. And then it gears you up for your conference games, because every conference game is so challenging that playing a tough schedule early preps you for that. So like I said, we don't have any days off. So every game is going to be a challenge.